everyone, and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. And here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and much, much more. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all how I created a tub caddy for my granddaughter and one of her friends. Now, the reason why I created this is because in her school, she has to read at least 20 minutes a night before going to bed. And this is something that is required by the school. Well, to kind of motivate her for doing that, I decided to create a tub caddy and let her wind her evenings down with an R&R bath time, which is read and relax. What you're seeing here are things that I looked up on Amazon to see if I can find any that they make for kids, and all I found was where they store toys. So what I did, what you're getting ready to see now, are things that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and I used a piece of wood that my daughter had that was once a shelf in her linen closet. I covered it with peel and stick waterproof contact paper, and then I embellished it with these items that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now here, I've already created one, I've already completed one, and I'm going to do the other one, which will be her friends, and I will show you how I put it together. Here again, and I'm going to explain everything, and I'm sorry that I'm tongue-tied. I'm going to explain everything that I purchased and how I put on there. Majority of the things are from the Dollar Tree. You'll see the Believe is a peel and stick decal. This wood, I guess you call it a wood plaque, I don't know, came from the Dollar Tree, and it has the tea light holder in it, battery operated. On one side says Big Dreams and the other one is Daydreaming. And then also you'll see butterflies. Those are cardboard cutouts from the Dollar Tree that come in a pack with several sizes. I purchased this candle also, but I'll end up not using that. And again, I'm showing you here how I put this together. Well, not how I put it together, but that it's already put together in the two handles I got from Habitat of Humanity. This is a plastic cup. And then that flower that you see on the end is stuck on there. Now here, the way I made the one for her friend, I took two old canvases that my daughter had that we weren't using anymore. And this is the peel and stick paper that I got from Amazon, but it was left over and just enough to cover both of the caddies. And I just put it on here. Now what I also did, it is waterproof and it's not going to get wet because it is sitting on the ledge of the tub and not in the tub. So what I did, just to make sure it doesn't come off, I also used the glue stick to go around the edges to adhere it to the canvas and to the wood caddy. So this is the canvas. I covered the front and the back, or the bottom and the top, and then all around. And then I glued around the edges of the paper onto the canvas. Now again, I'm just showing you the things that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. The first thing were the butterflies. These handles again came from the Habitat of Humanity there in Jacksonville. I love the iridescent look, and it goes with what I'm doing. This also bling wrap came from the Dollar Tree, and I glued that on. Again, this candle I purchased from there, but I did not use it. Her mom already had candles, and that little flower piece there also came from the Dollar Tree. I ended up gluing everything onto the board, so when the girls take the boards off the tub, they don't have to worry about trying to reassemble it. So here you see I'm just sticking the Believe sign onto the canvas board, and the butterflies I have to use the glue sticks because it's cardboard, it's not peel and stick, and it comes in different shapes, which you see here. I used the hot glue gun on the back of it. Now the one thing that I wished I had done and I didn't do and didn't think about until I left to come back home, and that is I wished I would have just Mod Podged the entire top. So what I will do is when I go back, if it's not messed up, I will just go over the entire top using Mod Podge to seal it. So if you decide to do something like this for a little girl, and I think even a little boy, if you make it, you know, a male look like a male something for a little boy. You can Mod Podge the entire top. Now here I'm showing you, I'm gluing this. This came from the Dollar Tree and it was already made like this. I didn't put this together. You can find these already created with the flowers in them. I glued it on top again, so when she takes the board out of the tub, if she decides to, she doesn't have to worry about taking everything off. Her mom can just pick up the entire caddy and just put it in her room. But what she does, she actually leaves hers in the tub and just pushes it back, so when she decides she's just going to take a shower, it doesn't soak it up. It might get drizzled on, but it won't soak it up. And here it is where I've finished that. And then also I'll be putting these little gems that came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just embellishing it. So coming up, you will see where I have completed both of them, and then further down you will see where Miss Yanni is just waiting to get into her tub while she sits on the edge, eat a strawberry, and drink some pink lemonade. So I want to thank you all for stopping by, and I hope this has inspired you to be creative for your little ones. you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.